Hello Bladers! What is a Tesla and why is it so big? Avid automotive fans are well versed what a Tesla is. For some who don't know though, Tesla is an American car company that manufactures electric cars. It's been around for a few years already and is getting much attention because of the many advantages it gives over non-electric cars. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. What is Tesla? Why is it so big? Number 1, Tesla design. We're sure we're all in agreement when we say that Tesla is such a beauty. Though its exterior mimics a sleek and modern sports car, what we really find outstanding is its foundation. The engine has space for each component. As such, its interiors have ample cargo space and roomy seats. Number 2, it is easy to use. Tesla has an instrument panel that lets you control everything through a 17-inch screen. It features the car's speedometer and energy system to help you know the status of the vehicle. Moreover, knobs, switches, and the like are all controlled through the screen. This is a great option especially when children are involved. Number 3, Tesla is mostly maintenance-free. Teslas have only 17 moving parts compared to the usual 200+ moving parts of a regular non-engine vehicle. As such, you really don't have to think about maintaining a bunch of things. What's even better is adjustments or repairs on these 17 moving parts can be fixed through system upgrades, which are mostly free and can be wirelessly done. Number 4, Tesla is cost efficient. Since you don't have to allot a portion of your monthly salary to gas, then it's a more cost-efficient alternative. Since it's a battery electric vehicle, just charge it then you're ready to go. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of Tesla's features? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe at one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.